How to earn $1,000 from email marketing. So this video is very important. If you are interested in earning $1,000 from email marketing, I think you should watch this particular video. So now let me tell you a case. I never earned $1,000 from email marketing, to be very honest, but I know how to do that because I read to those people who already done that, right? So in order to earn $1,000 from email marketing, what you need to have, you need to have 100 email subscribers. Exactly, 100 email subscribers only. If you have 100 email list members, and if you are only selling to 10%, let's take an example. If you are selling a product of 100 dollar, and if you wanting to have $1,000 in your bank account, then you need to sell to only 10 people. Let's take an example. If you have 100 people in your email marketing list, and if you are only selling to 10 people, worth of $100, in that time you are able to sell to 10 people. So 100 by 10 will become $1,000. So that's how you can earn $1,000. But what you need to understand in this particular journey is that it's a long-term journey, right? It is not a short-term journey which we used to see, right? So many people wants to earn the money from the email marketing, but they don't have the consistency to do that particular thing very well, right? Nobody wants to give you $100 very easily. In order to take that particular money, you should become valuable in your industry, right? If you really wanted to do well in email marketing, what you need to understand, you need to provide value as much as you can. Post Instagram post, Facebook post, YouTube videos, trying to provide ebooks, videos, stuff, checklist. You are providing constantly value to the people. In that time only, your 100 people will watch you every single time, and they will think that, okay, if this person is providing the value, let me see what we have in the paid subscription. And if they buy your product and services, definitely they will like it, because you already gain the trust of them by providing so much of free value, right? So that which you need to understand right now. In order to become a great businessman, what you need to understand, what your customer wants, and are you able to deliver that particular thing or not, right? So that's the only thing which you need to keep in your mind, right? Whatever the stuff is going to happen in the life, so many problems definitely will be there, will be there. But what you need to understand, are you able to provide the value to the people or not? If you are able to provide that particular value, definitely then 10 people who wanting to provide you $100 will become your $1,000, and that's how you can earn $1,000 rupees from email marketing. If you like this particular video, definitely you can share with some other people also. If you have any questions about this particular video, definitely you can ask me in the comment down below. And I really want you guys to be connected with this particular page. We are very active, we are very much active on Instagram. You can definitely check it out, our page, which is Copywriter Shiva. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Have a great day. Thank you.